All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about how to remove dictionary items. So removing items, there are several methods to remove items from a dictionary. The pop method removes the item with the specified key name. The pop item method removes the last inserted item. The delete keyword removes the item with the specified key name. And the clear method empties the dictionary. So let's jump into our notebook and take a look at this. All right, so we're inside of our dictionary notebook. And let's take a look at the pop method, which removes the item with the specified key name, okay? So if I go in here and we grab our code here, for example, right? And then we bring this down and we do our dictionary.pop, and then we can select the data that we want. So the key name. So the key name would be what? We could do company, model, or year. So let's do year, okay? And then let's print our dictionary and see what that does. When I run that, what happens? We have company, Apple, model, iMac, okay? So that's one method you can use. The pop item method removes the last inserted item in versions before 3.7. A random item is removed instead, okay? So if you're using Python 3.7 or before that, it would be a random item is removed, but the pop item in 3.9 will remove the last item inserted, the last inserted item. So let's try that out. Okay, now when we did this one, we'll copy this and let's paste it down here. Okay, so we're going to delete this value here and we're going to do pop item, and then we'll run it and see if it does year like it's supposed to. Company, Apple, model, iMac. Exactly. So what it does is it removes the last inserted item. Okay. And this is for the latest versions of Python. So that's why I'm mentioning that, because that before 3.7, it would do a random item was removed. But they changed it to when you type in pop item, the method, it removes the last inserted item. Okay? Then we have the delete keyword, which removes the item with a specified key name. So for example, if I grab all this code again, we copy it and we paste it down here. And then what I do is I go and I type in delete. So DEL, which is shortcut for delete, okay? Our dictionary, and then we call out the specified key name. So what do we want deleted, right? Let's do company, okay? And then let's print. So we get model, iMac, year 2020, okay? And the clear method empties the dictionary. So with this, let's copy this, let's paste it down here. And what we're going to do is we're going to do our dictionary, and it's going to be dot clear method. Okay. I'll run it, and what happens? Nothing shows up. It empties out the dictionary. Okay. So that's how you remove items. Thanks for watching.